ground, Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor in the southern run-up bay, received Oscar for Coldstream runway 35 right, request taxi clearance. Broadcasting on 1357.
Stand by Bravo Sierra Victor, Echo Whiskey, Zulu, are you with me?
No. Let's wait for him. Who's not with him?
No.
Either got
8517, keep going, there's plenty of room there. I'll need you to clear the runway, please.
That's her.
Echo Whiskey Zulu, request taxi Airport.
Echo Whiskey Zulu, taxi the apron.
Taxi Airport, Echo Whiskey Zulu.
If you're going to throttle down and take Bravo with aircraft that want to cross behind you there, I expect an immediate call to ground, please, so that we can get things moving. You're holding her onto the runway there, not good.
Apologies, Echo Whiskey Zulu.
Oh, Sir Victor, thanks for your patience there. Taxi 2, holding point Alpha, runway 35 right.
Holding point Alpha, 35 right. Bravo Sierra Victor, no worries.
8517, congratulations.
That's her first solo.
Brabant Tower, Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor, ready 35 right for Coldstream.
Bravo Sierra Victor, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Bravo Sierra Victor. Okay, lined up, feet off the brakes, go to full power. Watch what I do with the controls if I have this habit of pushing it right. Airspeed's alive.
50 late downwind.
All temperatures and pressures are in the green. 65. And trim it down. So these reference speeds are best rate, best angle, best glide, and another one. Rotate speed.
Through the card, let me know back to you.
Are we on 1200?
Contact
Am I?
Sorry, on the transponder.
Sorry, I didn't hear that.
VFR on the transponder.
Yes.
Fleet and requesting an orbit at some stage and possibility of the arrow run. About 219, I'll see what I can do for you.
Okay. Speed up. Power back. Trim.
And Tango 0 won't be able to get those Euro ones at the moment back. That's wash, that's good.
And we're 16.5 miles out, and we're on 1191.
We can just request after this 360 orbit, return to Essendon.
Frequency
About 2 miles
at Coldstream.
Frequency?
Yeah, they've got an ATIS.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'll do a turn, I'll turn around and head back down behind Steelfield.
1334.
Traffic in the about a little bit earlier, Tango Charlie Zulu is 2 minutes parachute traffic, expect 3 canopy.
1 second pulse to activate.
Traffic in the about a little bit earlier. Aircraft calling over. Just 290 approved.
Hectopascals, temperature 9er, dew point 8, humidity 9%, rainfall last 10 minutes, nil. Coldstream, AWS aerodrome weather, wind calm, QNH 1026, hectopascals, temperature 9er, dew point 8, humidity 9%.
Okay, that's all good. Coldstream traffic, Bravo Sierra Victor is overhead at 2000. I'll be doing a right turn to descend on the dead side to join crosswind runway 35, Coldstream. Right over the runway now.
I can't see it.
No, it's on my side. Coldstream traffic, Bravo Sierra Victor joining crosswind runway 35, Coldstream.
I'm not going to let her drive. Look how close it is. Let's walk up.
Coldstream traffic, Bravo Sierra Victor turning downwind runway 35, Coldstream. 75, it's 1,000 feet, 700 in our language. stage, slow down. Whoops. It's a good landing when we finally got down.
Wanted to go up a little bit before you went down.
Yeah.
Maybe that little balloon in the Warrior wasn't ground effect after all.
No, maybe it was pilot effect.